They started this in Canada first. The Canada thing started as a college event, so they just used to throw mock shadi, but वो लोग पूरा रीति रिवाज सब करते थे, and उनका bride और groom भी होता, fake ones, but yeah.
Our main motive is that जब लोग हमारे event से बाहर जा रहे हैं, personally we four want कि उनको ऐसे लगे कि wait, was that an event or a big fat wedding? Because small props से लेके पूरा entire event जैसे हमने craft किया है, we want कि उनको best experience मिले in the way कि like वो उन्होंने सबसे बेस्ट शादी क्रैश की हो, बिकॉज देयर इज नो फैमिली, यू आर जस्ट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर वेयरिंग द बेस्ट आउटफिट्स यू ऑल कैन वेयर.
You know what the actual event would be like is very, means a lot to us, because we started off from scratch. We did not even promote it a lot. बस हम चारों के स्टोरीज पे जाता था, that's it. And उससे what we've created right now is a huge deal to us. It's not.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Smash It Podcast. This is V Zena, and today we are with the founders of Scam Sangeet. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
So let's start with introducing all of our founders one by one.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Joshi. I basically handle operations and logistics. मतलब पूरा backend मेरे अंडर आता है. Yeah.
I'm Alisha Chauri. I basically look after design and decor, from small props to big OTT photo booths, सब मेरे अंडर आता है.
Hi everyone, I'm Nidhi Nair. I handle the marketing and social media for Saddi Gali. I am the brand's voice. I manage all the sponsors, deliverables, and everything for social media.
So, and I'm Paras Chaudhary. I handle all the finances and I'm the event head for Scam Sangeet. As in, all the on-day work will be under me and everything attached to it.
So Sadi Gali seems like a very interesting name. Where did you get the name from, and what is the concept of your entire event?
The name, I feel like the name obviously came from the song Saddi Gali. It is our favorite song, mine and Alisha's, obviously. We had a lot of song in our mind, but I think this came up to us a little better. Because Saddi Gali obviously means our gully. Yes. So yeah, event हमारे गली में आ जाओ.
Yes.
And so, what is the entire concept of Sadi Gali? How is it different from your usual party events? Is what it is, right? So, how is it different?
Yeah, so basically, how Scam Sangeet is different is, so we've been hosting club events in Navi Mumbai since a long time. And the moment these both pitched this idea to me, so we didn't have much to do. So I just thought, I'll just make a flyer and I'll just post it on my story and see how audience react to it. And the moment I uploaded the story and my promoter started promoting it, the kind of response I got from the audience, it was not the usual club crowd that we opt for or we look for. It was a completely different set of crowd which were interested to show up at our event. And that is when it came up to me that, yeah, maybe we are doing something that is different from normal club events, or which could attract a different set of crowd. Yeah. So that is
So I have heard that in Delhi also there's this big trend of scam sangeets where there is no bride or groom, but you're having a party. So in Mumbai, it's very new.
Yeah.
Does it feel like a risk of doing it in Mumbai as compared to Delhi because of because of a new crowd? What is it? What is that y'all think would work in Mumbai that was attractive for people in Delhi as well?
I mean, there are no such risk, obviously, because the crowd is totally different. The Delhi crowd is totally different. The Mumbai crowd is totally different. I don't think there are any risk, but yeah, I mean, mock shadis तो बहुत time से होते आ रहे हैं. They started this in Canada first. The Canada thing started as a college event, so they just used to throw mock shadi, but वो लोग पूरा रीति रिवाज सब करते थे, and उनका bride और groom भी होता, fake ones, but yeah. So it started way long before Delhi crowd or anyone started it. So yeah, no, there are no such risks as such for us doing this.
So when people leave your Scam Sangeet night, what is it that they'll take back, which is different from other events happening in Mumbai?
I think is that our main motive is that जब लोग हमारे event से बाहर जा रहे हैं, personally we four want कि उनको ऐसे लगे कि wait, was that an event or a big fat wedding? बिकॉज स्मॉल प्रॉप से लेके पूरा एंटायर इवेंट जैसे हमने क्राफ्ट किया है, वी वांट कि उनको बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस मिले इन द वे कि लाइक वो उन्होंने सबसे बेस्ट शादी क्रैश की हो, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो फैमिली, यू आर जस्ट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर वेयरिंग द बेस्ट आउटफिट्स यू ऑल कैन वेयर. सो या आई फील सारे लोगों को उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिल सकता है फॉर दिस इवेंट.
So pulling out something this bold isn't easy. What are the challenges that y'all have faced organizing such an event like Sagi Gali? And that too, it's the first time I think Mumbai is going to experience something like this.
Yeah.
So
about challenges, we faced many of them. Not a handful, we faced many of them. We've changed our dates thrice, we've rescheduled our event thrice. And there are a lot of aspects behind hosting such event. Talking to vendors, your outlets, taking a deal out of them. There are many aspects to it. But since we've been doing it for a long time, we kind of have a hold on to it. Like we kind of know the pipeline of how an event works or how to host one. So it wasn't that difficult, but yeah, to explain audience what this new type of an event is or what potential this holds, that was the most difficult part. And maybe these people from social media, they killed it with all the explanation videos. And yeah, so the virality from the social media gave us the push that we needed to make people aware of this happening in Mumbai.
and in terms of decor or something else that y'all are handling, what are the challenges that y'all have generally faced?
So I don't think there are any challenges that we are facing, because since we are very great with our creativity, we have made sure कि हम सारे small details से लेके बड़े decor तक सब properly organize करें. We have put in small props से लेके मेहंदी stalls which will be free for everyone, Lakme stalls for makeup and hairstyling which will be free for everyone. So what we want is अगर आप लोग हमारे event आ रहे हो, you go home with such an experience that you guys won't stop posting about it for the next 3 weeks, because that's the kind of experience we are planning to give it to you all.
So, like I already mentioned before when we were having this podcast and we were discussing things, I think I mentioned it to Alisha and Nidhi that I've never been to a club before, nor a party. I don't even drink. So, for a person like me, if I were to attend Sadi Gali, would it still be as interesting? And what all things that I can do which would make the event as enjoyable as me, like anybody else who would attend the party?
Yeah, the first time when the flyer was out, पारस ने जब flyer out किया था, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्राउड जो था वो ऐसा ही था जिसने कभी कोई ऐसे क्लब इवेंट गए नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट अ नॉर्मल क्लब इवेंट. ऐसा नहीं है तुम अच्छे नॉर्मल कपड़े पहन के आ रहे हो या जस्ट दारू पी रहे हो, मज़े कर रहे हो, जा रहे हो. इट इज़ नॉट दैट. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे रीच आउट किए थे कि आई हैव नेवर बिन हियर. हमको भी पता था दे आर नेवर बिन इन एनी पार्टी, बट दे वर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस. सामने से आ रहे थे कि वी वॉन्ट टू कम, हम लोग के दोस्त लोग के साथ, लाइक पूरा ग्रुप एंड ऑल जो ड्रिंक भी नहीं करता, दे ऑल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस. तो उतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट पार्ट नहीं रहा, क्योंकि मेन थिंग इज इन्जॉयमेंट. तुम लोग एक शादी के लिए आ रहे हो जिसमें फैमिली नहीं है फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजन, दोस्त लोग हैं, मस्ती मजाक और क्या चाहिए, टर्म्स ऑफ मेमोरी, बस हो गया.
So, what are the general audience that you are trying to reach? Only young people, or even like?
We are going from 18 to I feel 35 age of crowd.
Yeah.
Now we need that type of crowd for these events.
Yeah. Because then it will get like a homely and family feel.
Yes,
Definitely.
exactly.
What are the challenges that you're prepared for if something goes wrong in the event?
I don't think there is any challenges left for us to face, but yeah.
But I think that would only come out when y'all have the event in person once.
Yeah, we're literally prepared for the worst. As I said, we've faced many of them and we're kind of immune to all that now.
Exactly.
Pretty easier since these both have organized so many events in Navi Mumbai, so it makes us easier to be prepared already, because almost सारे handles और pressures वो दोनों ने देख लिए. So it makes it pretty easier for us कि अगर कुछ challenges आते हैं, so we are already prepared about it.
So y'all have already conducted events before.
Yeah, many. I am the owner and founder of Ball Entertainment, and he's my co-founder. So we've been doing events from past 3 years. और बहुत बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स किए, होली एंड ऑल. वी हैव पैक्ड लाइक मोर देन 700 पीपल्स इन आवर क्लब. कैपेसिटी 300 की है पर 700 लोग आ गए. तो इतने चैलेंजेस तो फेस कर रहे कि हमको पता है कि अगर ये हो गया तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमको क्या करना है. पारस और मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है. वी डू हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट कोऑर्डिनेशन. 10 साल के ऊपर थे हम दोनों दोस्त थे, मेरे को तो याद भी नहीं मेरे को कब मिला था. से पारस और मैं हम बहुत रेडी है कि क्या हो सकता है, क्या हमको करना रहेगा, क्योंकि जब एक इवेंट रखते हैं ऑन डे पता नहीं रहता क्या कब हो सकता है, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है। एक इवेंट में यू डोंट नो कि नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, तुमको क्या करना है, तुम कैसे वो फेस करोगे, क्या तुमने पहले भी फेस किया है, हर चीज़ नहीं होती है, चाहे तुमने कितने बार भी इवेंट किया हो। सो या मैं पारस पे पूरा रिलाई कर सकता हूँ, अगर मैं पूरा बैकएंड संभाल रहा हूँ और पारस फाइनेंस संभाल रहा है, सो मेरे को पता है कि वो उसका काम बहुत अच्छे से कर रहा है, मेरे को कुछ सोचने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं वहाँ से फ्री माइंड हूँ कि नहीं, मेरे को फाइनेंशियल का टेंशन नहीं लेना है, मेरे को बाकी कुछ भी काम क्लब से बात करने का, मैं अपने पीआर से कैसे बात करूँ, पारस देख लेगा हर चीज़। मेरा काम है ऑपरेशंस, सामान सब पहुँच रहा है, डीजेज आ गए हैं, हर चीज़ हो गया है, क्राउड आ गया है, क्राउड मैनेज करने के लिए इनफ वॉल्टियर्स या फिर बाउंसर्स वगैरह हर चीज़ प्रेजेंट है, इवेंट इज़ गोइंग वेरी स्मूथली, वो सब देखना मेरा काम। और बाकी जो मेन पूरा जो इवेंट खड़ा करने का स्टार्टिंग का काम है, वो मैं आंख बंद करके ये दिनों पे छोड़ दिया हूँ। मेरे को इतना भरोसा है, मैं रिटर्न में दे सकता हूँ, मैंने अभी तक मैं बोलूँगा मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया है। सोशल मीडिया पूरा ये लोग ने संभाला है, मेरे को नहीं पता क्या रीच है, क्या स्पॉन्सर है, क्या नहीं है। अभी वेन्यू लॉक हो गया है, अब मेरे को पता है, अब मेरे को काम करना है, मेरे को पता है क्या काम है, और मेरे को इतना भरोसा है कि ये लोग भी वैसे है कि हाँ अगर ये काम है तो ये कर लेगा, हमको कुछ सोचने का ज़रूरत नहीं। सो या अभी 40+ डेज हम लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं इसमें। मैं 3-4 दिन काम किया रहूँगा मैक्स, 3-4 रील में आया रहूँगा। ये लोगों ने पूरा मीडिया क्या बोल रहा, कंटेंट लोगों को जमा किया, स्पॉन्सर्स, कब क्या शूट करना है, कब क्या रील जाएगी, हर चीज़ प्लान करना। लिटरली ये तीनों रोज़ साथ में दिन भर बैठे रहते और मैं कुछ और में ही रहता, बस मेरे को पता रहता था कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वी गुड, बस।
So on the day of the event, you'll have more work.
या ऑन द डे ऑफ द इवेंट मेरे को तो नहीं लगता मैं नहीं वैसा नहीं है। हाँ या
most of the main work will come under these both,
Yeah.
since he's handling the event or logistics and operations पूरा गौरव पे आता है। सो मी एंड निधि के अंडर पूरा कंटेंट आता है, तो ऑन डे शी हैज टू मेक श्योर कि सारे हर कोने से कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड है, बिकॉज आवर मेन फोकस इज ऑन सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा क्राउड, ऑर्गेनिक क्राउड हमें सोशल मीडिया से मिलता है। सो यस।
So how did you plan the social media game of Study Gully? The entire feed, the entire, I think, unique standing point of your event would be reflected through your Instagram, because I think now we reach out to social media to see if an event is good enough to be attended. Because obviously everyone has a lot of options these days. So what makes this Study Gully stand out out of all of your social media presences of other events?
So our Saddi Gali ka page, जो Instagram page है, we have curated each post. I'm not even joking. We have put so much efforts just okay. So we had announced giveaways. So we were giving away 3 free entries to our followers, and I think that was our first post that our followers engaged with so much, and that made us realize कि हाँ भाई crowd को इसमें आना ही है कैसे भी करके. The posting that one giveaway post and then announcing the winners, from all of that हमारा वो एक theme, the color scheme, everything pink and yellow, we have followed each post का वही color scheme. I don't think हमारा, if you stalk our page, it's entirely pink and yellow. So curating that much of social media presence was, I mean, I won't say it was a task. It was very fun hanging out with these two and, doing all the Canva work, sitting, and we used to just, curate. I did not do any of the Canva work. It was him or her. So yeah, I mean, curating and recording reels, that was our favorite part. I mean, I don't know. It is kind of fun doing all that.
And so coming up with the content before the event. See, now the event will happen. That time you all will have a lot of content to post. But before that, to convince people to even attend, how are you all planning to do it on social media?
I think we've already done it. We've done the main part of convincing people to attend our event. अब तो now at some point we've convinced people so much कि हम कुछ भी डाल देते पेज में. We were just dancing, वो डाल रहे थे. कुछ भी डाल रहे थे. We were lip syncing to random audios that we were finding on reels. कुछ भी. These two used to put random songs. कुछ भी. Our social media is basically brain rot, and audience still engaging to that just to see what the actual event would be like is very, means a lot to us because we started off from scratch. We did not even promote it a lot. बस हम चारों के stories पे जाता था, that's it. And उससे what we've created right now is a huge deal to us. It's not even like कि हमारे जो followers है for now, it's none of them. I think 90% of them, we don't even know them. 90% of them are not even from Mumbai probably. But yeah, so, our social media, I think it's the main part of our event.
Okay, so Paris, you mentioned you all had changed the dates of your event thrice. So then did not create any problems for the audiences? You all did not get any reactions for that?
Yeah, we did.
Because people are anticipating an event at a certain date, but then that keeps postponing. And for the first time, you all are hosting this.
Yes.
So, just postponing this might be like a turn off for audience.
We weren't even postponing for the first 2 times. We were preponing it because we ourselves were so into it that we wanted it to happen as soon as it can. But due to some issues, due to some back-end issues, we were not able to do it. Or as in we were planning on 25th, but it was IPL finals on that day, and that could have created created a lot of issues with our audiences. So there were 2-3 reasons behind us changing the dates, and yeah, the crowd, the audience that we want for this event, that we're gathering for this event, is majorly very understanding, and they kinda know what problems event curators can face and why this kind of things could happen for while creating an event or while putting an event. So yeah, there were some of them who were kind of not happy with it. I feel we tackled it good, and there we have made proper redemptions for them, and I feel it's all chill now. It's all good.
I think the audience were not mad about, the date shifting. I think obviously they were. But the main problem was कि event postpone क्यों हो रहा है, मैं अभी के अभी attend कर रहा हूँ.
And they were understanding also.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you all gotten any backlash from people about the event because they don't understand the concept of क्या मतलब there is no groom and bride and then there is still a party and a wedding?
I don't think we've received backlash like that. None of that. I don't think कि इस बारे में हमें backlash मिला है.
If anything, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा response आया है कि like tell us more about the event.
They were just very curious कि
Yeah,
क्या हो रहा है
because
ये,
if you believe
बहुत
me,
नया है बहुत.
हाफ ऑफ द टाइम मुझे और निधि को पूरा टाइम हमारे अकाउंट में लोगों को सिर्फ रिप्लाई करना पड़ता है कि व्हाट्स द कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज वी हैव रिसीव्ड सच अ ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम पीपल कि इवेंट हमारा पहला आया भी नहीं है एंड पीपल आर टेक्सटिंग अस कि ये पुणे में करो, ये दिल्ली में करो. इवन इफ देयर आर इवेंट्स हैपनिंग बट स्टिल हमें हर जगह से आ रहा है कि यहाँ करो. सो लाइक I feel that's an achievement for us.
Very nice. And then I think after the event happens, I think you all will get a better response than that.
Definitely.
Because they've not even seen the event and they are that excited.
Yeah, we've already started planning our next events in new.
Exactly. I mean, the crowd seems so excited. Obviously, it'll motivate you guys to do something better in the future, if not. Okay. How do you guys handle the creativity of the event with all the other things that y'all are facing, like the stress of managing the entire event and then at the same time maintaining the fun of organizing this event?
So the thing is that हमारा टीम ऑलरेडी इस तरीके से डिवाइड हुआ है कि इवन इफ अगर क्रिएटिविटी कम्स अंडर मी, सो इफ़ मैंने ऑलरेडी इवेंट में स्मॉल प्रॉप से लेके मेहंदी स्टॉल्स एंड दैट में सब एक चिल जोन में रखा है. सो अगर कुछ इशू आता है other than the creativity, I know that I can trust Nidhi, Paras or Gaurav over it, even if they have their own work. But since everyone comes from the same field, they are so good at what they do, is that कि मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं सिर्फ क्रिएटिविटी पे ध्यान दूँ एंड कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको लाउड म्यूजिक से एक है एंड दे आर नॉट रेडी टू डू दैट, सो आई नो दैट दीज पीपल विल मेक श्योर दैट दे हैव देयर फन बिकॉज वी हैव क्राफ्टेड चिल जोन्स एज वेल. तो अगर आपको लाउड म्यूजिक नहीं चाहिए, वो चिल जोन्स में जाके आई डोंट इवन थिंक यू विल रियलाइज कि बाजू में डीजे चल रहा है, बिकॉज we have made sure every small detail experience के लिए ही हो. We don't want people कि सिर्फ आओ पियो and जाओ. Definitely not. So yeah, that's it.
So how did you all come up with the idea of Sadi Gali and
Paras and Nidhi.
Yeah.
No. I'll tell you the whole backstory behind it. So, Alisha. she has a brother, if it's not clear. Older one. Okay. So he's getting married. And that's the entire thing we heard for since December. At some point, I think me and Paris were like, "Bhai, what time is go? Just shut up."
I still have PTSD from hearing उसके भाई का शादी है वाले बाप रे.
I mean, yeah, obviously, we are we are invited and stuff, and we are very hyped for that. But the thing is, हम इतने थक गए थे कि भाई हाँ भाई बस हो गया. And yeah, so you know, I think शादी को इतना टाइम था, and she was still preparing for everything. कि ये venue, ये decor, ये venue, ये decor, and obviously इतना टाइम है तो she can't do anything about it right now. तो we were like, you know, हम ही कर लेते हैं. Scam संगीत कर लेते हैं. We don't need any bride. We don't need any groom. So we just, you know, randomly came up with this concept कि, you know, what if we just do a, you know, a mock shadi or fake shadi, you know, without any bride or groom. And it was just me and Alicia at my place. And we just came up with this idea. I was like, Alicia, karte, बहुत fire idea है. And I called Paras. I was like, जल्दी घर पे आ, I have a fire idea to pitch. And I just know कि कुछ भी रहता है ये पूरे time पे जब whenever we are working for Scam Sangeet as well, if anything happens, I just call Paras कि भाई ये हो गया, what to do. So yeah, my first call was Paras कि Paras को ये बताते हैं, if he likes it, we'll just post the flyer and everything. So yeah, I think this is how we came up with this whole Scam Sangeet ka concept.
And Paras, you were up for it immediately.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of didn't have any other choice, but yeah. No, but jokes aside, when I heard about it, I thought ki we were specifically looking for newer ideas and newer IPs for our Navi Mumbai people who don't get to experience a lot of it. So yeah, when I heard of it, I thought that yeah, this is something new. This could work here, and if we could communicate properly to our audiences, this could go big.
And then what about Alicia and Gaurav getting over on the
So I'll tell you. So it was just us three. We got from the idea. We posted the flyer. We made the Saddi Gali account and everything. तो फिर ऑब्वियसली मेरे को और अलीशा को घर पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन रहता ही है. वी कांट स्टे आउट लेट, वी कांट गो आउट लेट फॉर यू नो एवरीथिंग, वेंडर्स के पास जाना एंड एवरीथिंग, वेन्यू के पास रहना, एंड पारस कांट डू इट अलोन. तो फिर या आई थिंक
So yeah, one day randomly I was doing it, और फिर I was like, I need someone by my side, can't do it alone. तो फिर I thought, as we already run a company together, तो I thought why not get Gaurav on board with this.
हम लोग बस स्कूटी में घूम रहे थे, इसने बोला भाई ऐसा ऐसा है, ये करना है, और हमने पहले इतने इवेंट किए, तो मैंने सोचा क्रेजी मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, चलो करते हैं स्कैम संगीत, लेट्स गो. वो क्या बस फिर
अब तो अभी सबका एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज्यादा है ये चीज को लेकर, राइट? आई कैन सी दैट एंड आई कैन फील दैट. नाउ अगर कभी ऐसा हुआ ना, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, इफ समथिंग हैपेंस दैट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट रियली वेल इन मुंबई, दे जस्ट डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट क्वाइट वेल, देन व्हाट विल यू ऑल डू? व्हाट इज द प्लान ऑफ एक्शन दैट यू हैव थॉट अबाउट?
सो द थिंग इज वी ऑलरेडी मेड श्योर कि लोगों को समझे इवेंट कैसे दिखेगा. द थिंग इज इफ यू नोटिस, निधि हैड मेड श्योर पेज में वैसे रील्स के स्निपेट्स हैं जिसमें आपको दिखेगा कि इवेंट कैसे दिख सकता है. इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग द इवेंट यू कैन इमेजिन इट कि ओ अगर मैं यहाँ आई तो यहाँ पे ऐसे बहुत बड़े डेकोर है, बिग फैट इंडियन वेडिंग जैसा पूरा रेडी कैसे. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक श्योर कि तुम्हारे बेस्ट आउटफिट्स पहनो. सो आई डोंट थिंक वो इशू आएगा कि लाइक यू नो व्हाट एक्सपीरियंस विल यू गाइज गेन, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी मेड श्योर कि हमारे पेज अगर आप आ रहे हो तो यू गेट टू नो कि लाइक यू नो ओके इफ वी आर कमिंग इन दिस इवेंट ये तो होना ही है.
And I think we are always open in our DMs. We get a lot of DMs asking ki what is this event, details about everything. And we reply as soon as we can. Because obviously, and I think that amount of trust we've created with our audience is enough. That we are always open to our audience ki हाँ ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, this is what is going to happen. And they are, I think people get the concept immediately once we explain it.
Yeah, and we've made enough from pre-selling the ticket, that we are way past the breakout point, and I don't feel there's any point of turning back or the event going south now. So yeah, we're just set for it. We're just excited to make it come true.
बस ऐसा है, ट्रेडिशनल पहनो, आ जाओ, मज़ा 100% आएगा. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, 3 साल से कर रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आएगा.
Okay, so you've already gotten the hopes high. Now this doesn't seem like a very cliche event. and also I don't think it's like a very chill event also that happens every weekend. So what are y'all planning to do about it? Or what kind of an event is it? Is it an exclusive event or an every weekend type of an event?
No, 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 not at all. So our plan was to do this at least thrice annually, thrice or four times annually, because we wanted to be like, कि हाँ, people are looking forward to it. कि साल में 4 बार किया बस, that's it. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be a every weekend, every Saturday night type of events. That's it.
So when y'all say it's not a very frequent event, what do you have in mind? I mean, what months would y'all want to do it? Do you have any background research done about it? कि ये महीने में people are more free to attend such an event or something like that? Do y'all have that in mind or y'all just randomly decide the dates?
No, we have researched about it. हमें ये शादी के सीजन में बिल्कुल नहीं करना है because we have because they'll be busy, right? So we have already researched about that कि जो नॉन शादी सीजन्स है हम उसी में इवेंट करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर नॉट प्लानिंग टू डू इट इन नवंबर और दिसंबर बिकॉज दैट्स लाइक द पीक टाइम जब इंडियन फैमिलीज यूजुअली शादी प्लान करते हैं. So definitely when people are, people don't have anywhere to go to, specifically shadi events, that's when we plan to do our event.
Because that would give you all a better response.
Yeah.
Anything else y'all would want to share about the event?
जो नॉर्मल इवेंट्स होते हैं उसमें वी डोंट सेट कि नहीं भाई 400 लोग के अंदर चाहिए. वी डोंट सेट लाइक दैट कि आए जितने प्रमोशन से आते जाओ ऑन द स्पॉट हम लेते जाएंगे, क्योंकि जो भी क्लब इवेंट्स रहते हैं उसमें रोलिंग चालू रहता है. सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल अंदर है बट थोड़े लोग ऐसे हैं कि हाँ वी आर डन, हम बाहर जाएंगे फिर उसके जगह पे कोई और लोग आएंगे, ऐसा रहेगा. बट व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग इसमें है कि लिमिटेड टिकट्स है, लिमिटेड स्लॉट्स है. मिला तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं मिला तो हम भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. और मोस्टली ये रहता है कि गेस्ट लिस्ट रहती है, सबको आना रहता है कि ब्रो गेस्ट लिस्ट आई नो यू, मेरा कर देना, मैं तेरे को इतने साल से जानता हूँ. नहीं, हम नहीं कर रहे इसमें.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're running.
Guest list this
Yeah,
time.
इवन वी आर द फाउंडर्स, हम लोग के पास भी गेस्ट लिस्ट नहीं है. मेरे को अगर मेरी सगी बहन को लाना है तो बाय टिकट ले, आई कैन, आई एम सॉरी.
No privileges this time.
Yeah, so we're running this campaign called #NoGuestList, where we're pushing it as much as we can, and we're aiming for everyone, each and everyone, to buy a ticket. Even we four of us, we also got tickets to our event just to set an example कि if someone approaches me कि भाई एंट्री करा में, भाई मैंने खुद टिकट लिया है, there's nothing I could do, you'll have to get it from there, and yeah, you're always welcome.
हर क्लब इवेंट में क्योंकि ऐसा होता है, लाइक हम दोनों पोडियम पे खड़े हैं, लाइक ब्रो टॉक टू हिम, अरे मैं नहीं करना बात भाई, मेरा इवेंट है, मैं तो नहीं करना बात, तू पैसे भर रहा है भर, वरना जा भाई.
Do you specifically plan to call certain people in your event that would attract others, like influencers or celebrities? In the future, maybe when your event is more at its peak. Yeah. That time you all will not need, but initially maybe you all would need someone to make it a little attractive, maybe a certain kind of DJ that would attract people to your event.
So we did have planned, like DJ comes under this board, but like, we cannot say it out loud. But yeah, so the thing is about the influencers, हमें अप्रोच करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. We were planning obviously about it, but the way these guys have handled the page already, event के पहले हमें influencers के text आ चुके हैं saying that they want to just promote the event if it's pre-promotional or after that, but they are really invested in the part कि उन्हें कहीं ना कहीं से हमारे इवेंट के साथ रहना है. Like they have to be like they are also a part of it. So we are already getting that response and it's really great.
At this point hype ही इतना बढ़ गया कि सब सामने से आ रहा है.
Friends as such at all. So listening to it, I would also feel कि यार ये चलेगा कि नहीं. It's a very new concept. But then listening to you guys, it feels like, oh wow, everyone should come up with something like that. Maybe a Barbie party for some reason, I don't know. But it seems like such a fresh and new concept. I'm very sure in Mumbai people are gonna be very hyped up about it, and y'all are gonna have great responses. Best of luck to you guys. One last question before we end this conversation. How was your experience with Smash It?
Amazing.
It was fun.
Perfect, how we imagined it.
When y'all came in and now the conversation is about to end.
Yeah.
What are you guys taking away from this entire conversation with us? And how was your experience in general about sharing your views and letting your attendees know about the event? How did we play a role in that?
I think when we came here, we were very, very nervous. We were freaking out the entire time.
Yeah, same.
We were freaking out the entire time. But I think either aate, either baithke, I think we got a sense of belonging. Yeah. And yeah, it was nice. I feel like this would help us grow in any.
It was so much fun talking to you guys because, like I said, I've never attended party and event. And see, even the organizing thing, like I just mentioned right now, I was totally clueless about it. But then listening to all of this, it inspires me as a person who would never think of even attending a party to now organize something. Because as young people, we are so young with all of this, we are so new to all of this. But then you guys seem to handle it so well, and it's just amazing what you guys are doing. I wish you guys all the very best.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, as young people who are organizing such a new event in Mumbai, which is a very big city of dreams, what is one message that you would like to give to our audiences listening right now, if they ever plan to come up with a new concept in general and an event as such?
Yeah. So first off, if you're living in Mumbai, be very thankful for it. You're very privileged to live in a city like Mumbai where you could do anything and you have people of each and every kind here who would be interested to do anything. You could just plan on doing whatever comes to your mind, and you would have someone at your back who would be like, I'm interested in this. Yeah, we live in this day and age where you could experiment with you could just put in all of your creativity and just, it's not that difficult. You have social media, if you have 2 or 3 friends who share the same mindset, just go for it. Then what's the worst that could happen? You could bomb 1 or 2 events. Yeah, we did the same too. When we were in our early stages, we bombed a lot of our events. But eventually, it just comes up to you. If you really put in the work, it just comes up to you. It's not that difficult. It's not that deep.
So, would you suggest that people should have a backhand experience even as a part of some other event before starting something like that? Because I think Paras and Gaurav have that experience, so then it was easier for you guys. But imagining no one has an experience like
It is difficult. It is difficult.
Just gather experience. Just go meet new people. Just go interact with new people. Have fun. Do shit that you've never done before.
Yeah, that's how we actually started. पहले क्या था? The scene was in Mumbai. So बोले थे party, night party, events. Let's go to Mumbai. And when we started, नवी मुंबई में उतना कुछ था नहीं. हम दो और हमारे और 3-4 दोस्त लोग हैं हम लोग की कंपनी में, who are working with us, who are our co-founders. हम लोग ने ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया कि let's do it in नवी मुंबई में let's try. तो हमने वैसे ट्राई किया, वैसे शुरू किया, and now we are here, we are the best. हमको पता है we are the best in नवी मुंबई.
Yeah, so there were companies, but उनका ideology was यहाँ पे कुछ करके everyone just wanted to go to Mumbai. नवी मुंबई में just base बना के just going there. No one actually ever wanted to do something for the city that they belong to. And Navi Mumbai has potential. It has crowd, it has potential. We wanted something to do for our people to give them the experiences. When we came up with this idea, we had offers from Mumbai, from entertainment companies from Mumbai, who wanted to collaborate with us and make this event happen there in Mumbai. But this was my and Gaurav's motto from the very beginning, that we want our people to have newer experiences. So that's maybe one of the biggest reason that we're planning the first event in Navi Mumbai, and then we're planning to expand in other cities.
I think I mistook Navi Mumbai because it was I obviously I belong from Navi Mumbai, but then again I was always interested in doing events and everything. And I thought there was nothing for Navi Mumbai, nothing. I thought कि इधर कुछ होगा ही नहीं, event हो ही नहीं पाएगा इधर. And staying in Navi Mumbai, I used to travel every single day to Khar to work for the entertainment company, and I realized कि why am I doing this? Why am I traveling so much every day just to attend events in Mumbai? And genuinely, after I left the company, everything, I realized कि हाँ भाई, Navi Mumbai has a lot of potential. And yeah, I genuinely wanted our first Camp Sangeet to happen in Navi Mumbai so that my people could experience something that Mumbai could never.
Yeah.
okay. But then diverting from this to what message that you would like to give if you've never done this? I think Paras was starting, but then the moment he lost track, he went to down.
Yeah. So as I was saying, just go for it. Don't think much about it. If you just put yourself in it, things started happening automatically.
start to
Yeah,
unfold
yeah. There's if you were in a place 20 years ago and you had a newer idea, or there were very restrictions, there were many things to think about, a lot of aspects behind doing anything, doing trying something new. But in this day and age, it's just very easy. You just, even if you don't have right contacts, it's very easy to make new contacts. You have many means. You just gotta go for it and it'll happen. Just don't think much about it. Yeah.
all of the new
Exactly.
बस स्टार्ट करो, हो जाएगा. एक दो तीन इवेंट खराब जाते ही है, ऐसा नहीं हम लोग इस तरह से हमारे भी खराब थे, बट इतने बैंगर्स भी किए हैं हमने कि ना मेरे को पता है कि हम क्या है. तुम लोग भी शुरू करो.
Yeah.
And Alicia and Nidhi, you all have something for the audience.
Social media aspect or an entertainment point of view, right? For the audience to start new things, right? So I think I don't have anything to say, but just go for it, bro. Nothing could possibly go wrong. And even if it does, I think you all just need, you know, your 2 to 3 friends would always have your back at 3 a.m. in the night. I think I called each one of them at randomly 2 a.m. ki bhai ye ho gaya, kya karna hai? Every time I freak out about anything in my the whole Scam Sangeet process, I have always contacted these three. I've always freaked out. I am the person who gets random mental breakdowns over little minor inconvenience that we face. And I think Paras and I think me and Alicia, we both have huge mental breakdowns. And I think Paras and Gaurav have handled all of that so nicely and have maturely to add. I don't think we could have done this without them, because again, if it was just me and Alicia, yeah, my mom says this as well. If it was just me and Alicia, I think we would have spent half of the time crying about how are we supposed to solve this thing. And I know they are freaking out as much as we are, but they wouldn't show it, and that's what I like. So whenever you're going to start anything, just make sure that you have 2 to 3 people. Yeah, exactly. And make sure they are your friends, your bestest friends, so that
Doesn't it make things easier?
Yeah, and like it's so much more fun.
Yeah.
You stay like all the time with your friends and
The best thing.
Exactly.
Amazing, guys. Again, best of luck. I keep saying this. I'm so excited. I feel like attending. I mean, I want to attend your event now after this conversation, for sure. Yes. Hope I get the tickets though.
Tickets are live. Sort my scene, please buy it right now.
Okay. So, one word that comes to your mind when you hear the word Smash It Youth Podcast.
Young minds, new ideas.
Helps to
Podcast देख के
grow.
कुछ नया समझ में आ गया. Just like that.
Okay, guys, I think we are done with this. Check out Sadi Gali on Instagram and buy tickets now on Sort My Seat.